Me and my nigga Papa, right? Come on, Papa, let's get up on these dudes. Up, it's up. Look at it. Papa, get out the street.
Why?
Get off the street.
Why?
Because remember what I told you. You don't ride in the street unless it was parked in the street. Yes, you are. Get on the sidewalk, boy. Boy, get on the sidewalk. You straight? What is that way? No, boy, you turn around. Turn around, Papa. We going that way. Oh, what? Take a break. Get all that breath. You tired? Mm-hmm. Breathe.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah. What?
It's green light.
What?
It's green light.
It's a green light?
Yeah.
That mean go, not stop.
No, it's called green light.
A green light go? Who is that? Can you make it?
No.
You gotta back it up. Come back down, right back down.
Why?
Right it back down. Strap it. That was fun. Here I come. Make sure you look for the car and stop. Stop. Papa, stop. Now we come on, we get that way.
Let's go back that way.
What?
Because
Why?
I want to do it again.